This program contains experiments which are performed by professionals. These tests are dangerous and may involve the use of hazardous materials. They should not be performed or imitated under any circumstances. The telephone, the housing, the hook switch, the dialer, and the handset. All of it connected by one wire. And all of it connected to the telephone network by another wire. The miracle of transforming sound into electricity and electricity into sound happens in the handset, where we find a microphone and a speaker. To grasp it all, let's break it all. The microphone is what transforms voice into electricity. It's got a thin metallic surface, the diaphragm. Beside the diaphragm is the electret, a piece of plastic with a very special property. It's polarized. The electret is connected to an electronic circuit by a thin copper wire that's continually fed by an electric current. When we speak, our voice causes air molecules to vibrate. These sound waves reach the diaphragm. It's so thin that when the air vibrates, it also vibrates. This movement disrupts the electret's electrostatic field, causing it to vibrate. The vibrating electrostatic field causes the intensity of the current in the copper wire to also vary. The microphone has just transformed air vibrations into electric vibrations. These vibrations are amplified by the electronic circuit, sent to the microprocessor, and finally into the wires of the telephone network. The telephone has to be able to change electricity back into sound waves, so we can hear it. That's where the speaker comes in. It does exactly the opposite of the microphone. It has three components: a diaphragm, a coil made up of a long copper wire wrapped around itself and attached to the diaphragm, and a magnet. When the electric vibrations reach the coil, the current magnetizes it and transforms it into an electromagnet. Since the coil is attached to the diaphragm, it also vibrates at the same frequency. That movement, in turn, causes the air in front of the diaphragm to vibrate at the same frequency as the electric current. Vibrating air is sound waves. The electric current has just been retransformed back into sound. Voila!